What's up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. And today we will be trying, not all of them, but today one. Today only one. Then it's gonna be like a part 2, part 3. Look at those amazing chips. Yeah. So today I'm doing the best of all. Takis. So these right here, my favorite chips. Even though I've never tried this flavor, I have tried Takis before, and I just absolutely love them. They are just, oh my god, they are just amazing. They are amazing. All right, let's try crunchy fajita. Let's try it. Why am I doing like epic shots? Like, what? Okay, I got my scissors. Alright. I'm just gonna open like a little bit from the top. Oh my god. It's been like so many days I've been waiting. Oh god. When is this video gonna happen? Like, I don't know, I just could not get the perfect time to make this video. And now I'm finally making it after 2 years. Okay, not after 2 years, but yeah. Alright, I just want to smell it. But why aren't you opening? I have a feeling now it'll open. Yes, it opened. Okay, first I'm obviously gonna smell it. Let me smell it. Whoa, that smells amazing. Yo, I'm not lying. I really like that smell. All right. Crunchy fajita toast. My first Taki of I don't know when I'm having this Taki. It's been a long time I'm having Takis. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I just really want to try it. Okay. It's like, I don't know. I don't understand. It's like, it's good. It's bad. I don't know how this is. It's good. Oh, yeah, that's good. It's good, but the thing is, it's good, but it says, why does it have tomatoes? The bag says it has tomatoes. But I like tomato, right there, tomato. I like it. I have a feeling you already know my rating, 10 out of 10. I love them. Okay, so this will be the end of today's video, but remember, stay tuned for these 2 chips. Hopefully I try this one next, but I have a feeling I'll try broccoli. Well, that is the end of today's video. Oh my god, I just can't have enough of these Takis. So that will be oh my god, this Taki has got into my head. Okay. That will be the end of today's video. And if you really like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Adios.